In this video, I'll show you how to fix audio issues on iPhone after last iOS update. So after your last iOS update, if your iPhone speaker not working or you are not hearing any kind of audio, here's how to fix it. The first solution is you have to increase your volume. So open your iPhone control center and here is your volume. Just increase your volume at the top and then go ahead and check the issue. And the next solution is you have to force restart your iPhone. To force restart your iPhone, press the volume up button one time and volume down button one time, and then just press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo, and that's how you will be able to force restart your iPhone. After force restarting, go ahead and check the issue. And the next solution is you have to update your iPhone again. So go to your settings app and now tap on general, tap on software update, and here if you see any update, new update available, update your iPhone, and then check the issue. And after following all of these solutions, if you're still having the same error, then you have to reset all settings. But before resetting all settings in your iPhone, all you have to need just turn off your iPhone, and you have to use your iPhone after 1 or 2 hours. So all you have to need, just put your iPhone on a table, and after 1 or 2 hours just go ahead and unlock your iPhone and check the audio problem is solved or not. If not solved, then you have to go to your iPhone settings and then go to general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and just reset all settings. And before resetting all settings, make sure to create a backup of your data. So after following all of these solutions very carefully, hope your audio issue on your iPhone will be fixed. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.